Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is an instructional video for instructors who are teaching English and want to use the reading progress tool for improving reading skills. So what you want to do is log onto your university email, click on these dots at the top left, and then click on Teams. And then once you're logged into your Teams, you might see this. If you don't, just go to Teams and then join or create team. Create team. If you don't see this where it says class, that means your username has not been identified as an instructor. So you have to contact the IT department at Qasim University to change your username into instructor. Then you click on this, use this template, and then just give it a name. So let's say 1000, section 1000 create. And then it's going to ask you to add members. So you just put in the ID number of a student, and then you just keep on adding all these students that you want. You can put all the IDs in here, and then you just click add. So I'm going to click skip because I have the student in my class. And then you're going to click on assignments. And then you're going to click create. Learning Accelerator, reading progress. You can click on speaker progress if you want to experiment with it. I have not tried it, but I'll click on reading progress. And then it's going to ask you where you want to get your reading from, if you have a Word or PDF, or you want to use their library. So their library has a wide range of reading passages from different levels. You can experiment with that as well. So I'll go to import, and then I'll take something from the reading passages I have already uploaded. You can edit this if you want. I usually turn off the reading coach and no required video. Then click on next. And then I give this a name. Let's say I name just homework number 1, and then I put a date, due date. And then if I have more than one section, I can click this and say, I also want to give this homework to section so-and-so. But for now, I just want this section. And then you click on assign. If you want to assign this in the future, let's say I want to put all the homeworks right now for the next month, you just can assign this for the future or a time in the future. But for now, I'll just assign this to students right now. So now this assignment is due for students on February 7th. The students can click on it and start doing their homework. I can show you what happens after a while. You can so let's see all my sections. So let's say I go on to this section, and then I see the insights for this section. I can click insights. This helps me see what is going on with my students. So I have all these students. I can click on reading right here. It just tells me the reading progress for all these students. What are the most challenging words that they have pronounced incorrect? It tells me how many omissions they've had, how many insertions, how many mispronunciations, and then the reading accuracy of each assignment itself. These are the number or the name of the assignments that I have. It can show sometimes the average words per minute for each assignment itself for the whole class, and the reading accuracy for the whole class as well. Now you might see this goes up and down. That depends on the level of the reading I gave them. And then also shows most challenging sounds, consonants, vowels. Then you can just look at these, and then it gives you student by student. You can click on a specific student or search the student name. Let's say I go to this student, click on his name, and then I can see what words were challenging for the student, so I can create an assignment specifically for that student himself. I can see the student's progress in comparison to the class, the accuracy rate for the student in comparison to the class, and so on. And this is it. If you have any more questions, please email me or email the department. I can be available whenever you want.